Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. I'm at Hobby Hideaway. We're going to be going out for the A-main of AAA Superstock in a couple minutes. I have just went through the two qualifiers and we're heading into the mains. My new LM car. Changes this week is I figured out how to mount the top rear oil shock. Comes with this little plastic piece and a screw in the spare parts, as well as a little pamphlet that I never noticed that says, hey, if you want to install an oil shock on an MR04, you need to put that little piece on. So I've done that, and the other change is we've put aluminum wheel nuts on, so I shouldn't have a problem with stripped out wheel nuts. Not that I had that problem before, but we're going to go out in AAA Superstock with the MR04 LM starting in P3. All right, here we go, AAA A-main. I'll be starting in P3 with the MR04 LM. Whoa, of course. With the MR04 LM changes this. I have a new oil shock on the car now. Although handling wise, I don't feel a difference. Over the friction shock with the disc damper feels exactly the same to me as an oil shock with the disc damper. Makes really no difference. All right, I gotta focus. Stop talking. Yeah, I got my battery locks on. That's the one thing for sure. Frig sakes. I think the other thing that I don't like about this body is it's only got one screw holding that wing on. It'll get torqued. All right, I will be starting in third.
The color on this field looks weird.
Oh, I was a little light on the trigger there. Am I allowed to block here? I don't know.
After 2 minutes, 1 second, the top drivers are Chris G in first place with 17 laps, followed by Dean in second place with 15 laps, followed by John Kelly in third place with 15 laps, followed by
rough.
Steve in fourth place with 15 laps, followed by Chris in fifth place with 15 laps, followed by Steve in sixth place with 14 laps.
Oh, man, spinning out on the acceleration out of the corners. I keep spinning out. Whoa!
Just hammer through, guys.
Followed by John Kennedy in fourth place with 22 laps. Followed by Chris in fifth place with 22 laps.
So I'm in fourth. I've got to clean it up. I've got clear track ahead of me though.
1 minute left. After 4 minutes, 1 second. The top drivers are Chris G in first place with 33 laps. Followed by Dean Boudreau in second place with 32 laps. Followed by John Kennedy in third place with 30 laps. Followed by Stephen D in fourth place with 30 laps. Followed by Chris in fifth place with 30 laps. Followed by Stephen in sixth place with 26 laps.
Spin out coming out of that corner. That might have been for positions. Whoa!
Want it on? Yes, please. Don't break it up.
At least I didn't cause that one.
Stephen D done.
Oh, that's behind him.
Stephen done.
Oh, okay. Did I get a podium in the end? Oh, I did!
Took it from me.
Oh, no. Oh, well, that was pretty good, man. The bump to the fourth. Yeah?
Same lap, yeah.
You did have me for a little bit. A good back and forth. So squeaked out a podium win in the end. Third place. All right, guys, if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. If you're new and here, subscribe. You want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.